Okay, right friends, let us continue our subject ecology and environment. So in this video I am going to discuss about the tiger reserve because this is a very hot topic for your UPSC prelims 2020. And now in this video you will be able to know how you have to prepare the current affair for your prelims. Now as you very well aware about 2018 tiger census, fine. You know very well in Madhya Pradesh number is 526, in Karnataka number is 524, in Uttarakhand the number is 442. Now if you observe the past year paper of UPSC never asked the number like this, means this is not important. UPSC will never ask these numbers. So what UPSC can ask? Now, if you read the whole topic regarding this 2018 tiger census, you will be able to know that in 3 tiger reserves, no tiger found. No tiger has been found, and these 3 tiger reserves are, first one is Buxa Tiger Reserve, second one is Palama Tiger Reserve, third one is Dampa Tiger Reserve. So, no tiger found. So, no tiger found in these 3 tiger reserves. So UPSC can ask the question like match the following. So always remember this Buxa Tiger Reserve belongs to West Bengal. Buxa Tiger Reserve belongs to West Bengal. Palama Tiger Reserve belongs to Jharkhand, and Dampa Tiger Reserve belongs to Mizoram. Fine. So UPSC can ask question from these 3 tiger reserves because in these 3 tiger reserves no tiger had been found. Fine. So remember Buxa belongs to West Bengal, Palama belongs to Jharkhand, and Dampa belongs to Mizoram. Now there are so many tiger reserves in India. As you know very well, Jim Corbett is the first tiger reserve in India. But you have to also remember about the tiger reserves in northeast part, because you know very well northeast is a very important area for our UPSC prelims. So remember in northeast only 3 states having tiger reserves. In northeast only 3 states are having tiger reserve. The first one is Assam, second one is Arunachal Pradesh, and third one is Mizoram. So always remember, first one is the Assam, second one is Arunachal Pradesh, third one is Mizoram. Now, if you see the pattern of UPSC already asked so many questions from this Arunachal Pradesh. In the last year, previous year, UPSC asked question from this Pakke Tiger Reserve. So, Pakke Tiger Reserve or Pankhi Tiger Reserve, it is situated in Arunachal Pradesh. So, this Arunachal Pradesh is very important for your UPSC prelims, because already they ask so many questions from Arunachal Pradesh, like Lohit is a tributary of which river. This is also the prelims paper. So remember, now this time they can ask the question from Mizoram. So they can ask the question in match the following. So remember this Dampa Tiger Reserve situated in Mizoram. Fine. Now there are also so many tiger reserves which are currently in news. So I am taking last 15 month current affair. Now why I am going to discuss all about this tiger reserves, because as you know very well, ecology and environment subject, it carries around weightage of 40 marks. 40 marks means around 15 to 20 questions came in your UPSC prelims. So this ecology and environment subject is mainly responsible for your clearing prelims examination. Fine. So that's why I'm giving more consultation on this current affair of ecology and environment part. Fine. Now remember, in Arunachal Pradesh 2 tiger reserves are in news. One is Pakke Tiger Reserves and second one is Namdhapa. Agree? Now in Odisha, this Satkoshia Tiger Reserve in news. Satkoshia. Clear? So in Arunachal Pradesh, Pakke Tiger Reserve, Namdhapa. In Odisha, Satkoshia. And remember, Valmiki is the only tiger reserve in Bihar. Bihar is having only 1 tiger reserve, and that tiger reserve is nothing but your Valmiki Tiger Reserve. Now, as you already know about this Palama Tiger Reserve basically belongs to Jharkhand. So this Palama belong to Jharkhand. Fine. And this Sariska Tiger Reserve is also in news. So it belongs to Rajasthan. It belongs to Rajasthan. Now we are left with this and this Karnataka. So in Karnataka, two tiger reserves are in news. First one is the Bandipur and second is the Nagarhole. So you can remember easily this Bandipur and Nagarhole belongs to your Karnataka. Now similarly in Maharashtra, Bor and Tadoba both are in news. Bor and Tadoba both are in news. So you have to remember this. Now as I told you, UPSC already asked question from the Arunachal Pradesh, and Mizoram can be the potential question for your next year UPSC prelims 2020, and they can ask the question from Assam part also, as this Nameri Tiger Reserve is situated in Assam. So overall you have this 8 states you have to remember, and it's very easy to remember. For example, you know very well this Satkoshia belongs to Odisha. You have to study like this. Then Valmiki is the only tiger reserve situated in Bihar. Similarly, Sariska belongs to Rajasthan. Then Bor and Tadoba belongs to Maharashtra, and similarly Nagarhole and Bandipur belongs to Karnataka. So in this way you have to prepare the tiger reserve. Now if you are reading all tiger reserves of the India, then it will be total waste of time, because UPSC is now not asking the question like this. So being as a brother, I would like to request you have to focus on the current affair. So do not worry about for your prelims 2020. It's my promise. So I will cover up the whole current affair from last 15-month current affair. I will prepare for you, and I also give you the handwritten notes of ecology and environment, so that you can easily get at least 40 marks out of 200. You can easily get 40 marks. So that's for now. Thank you so much.